Hello friends, I am Shubham. Welcome to my channel Step by Step, in which you will get educational videos like this one. So let's begin. In this video, we'll learn about scalars and vectors. Their definitions are known to us, but let's forget it for a while and focus on this example. Suppose your friend is visiting your house and over the call you give him directions. Your conversation might be something like, take a right turn and move 100 meters, and then take a left turn and my house will be just 50 meters away. It will take 15 more minutes to reach my house. Now let us examine your statement. When you said 100 meters, it represented a distance, but this information would be incomplete had you not given him the direction. Here, for example, was a left or a right turn. But when you mentioned him about the time, it did not need to be specified with a direction, which means 15 minutes is a complete piece of information, that is, time. Here, time is a scalar quantity, and the direction along with the distance is a vector quantity, which is nothing but displacement. Now, imagine yourself pushing a door and realizing that it is meant to be pulled. Hence, the force which you are applying is a vector quantity. So the direction of force is very important for the proper result. This is a very good example of a vector experienced in real life. Similarly, acceleration, velocity, etc. are vector quantities, and temperature, energy, etc. are scalars. You can also visualize vectors in a graph. A line joining points 2, 2 to the origin in a graph can also be written as a line with radius 2 and inclined at 45 degrees to the axis. Here also we have mentioned the angle, which is nothing but a form of direction, hence a vector quantity. I hope now you have a good understanding of what these quantities are. Lastly, a bonus tip for you. These quantities are a family of quantities which are known as tensors. A scalar is a 1D tensor and a vector is a 2D tensor. And there are 3D tensors, examples of which is stress. The discussion of this is left for some other video. Thank you for your time, and if you like my content, do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.